So what's up mga boss, Yims here, and narinig ko lumabas na ang trailer ng 50 Shades Darker. Actually yung 50 Shades of Grey, hindi ako masyado natuwa, hindi ko nga siya tinapos actually. And let's see kung may excite ako or mawawalay na naman ng movie ito. Showing siya this February 11, 2017 to all cinemas. And without further ado, simulan na natin tong reaction video kong ito. Alright! Valentine's Day na naman siya lalabas. Excited na naman ang mga bagets. Oh yes! Yung 50 Shades of Grey actually nakakainis because mga teenager ang mga nai-excite. O diba? Teenager! A shade darker, damn! May mas dark pa ba dun sa last time na 50 Shades of Grey na parang nanonood ka lang ng porn? But anyways, I hate this kind of movie because napapalabas siya at napapanood siya ng mga minors. And hindi magandang effect sa society. Okay?
Got me looking so crazy.
I want you back. I had no idea what this was going to become.
I don't see how this can work. You're just gonna stand there, Gotham?
Yes.
You got me looking so crazy.
Yan ang dahilan kung bakit dumadami ang early pregnancy sa Pilipinas. Actually, effective siya. Yung background music niya, nakaka-excite talaga. But, let's continue watching.
What do you want, Anastasia?
This time...
Yan. Nagsisimula na naman ang mga teenager mag-gym. Handa pa ako sa February, guys.
No rules, no punishments, and no more secrets.
Looking so crazy, love. Got me looking so crazy, love.
What? May action part?
You looked over the first one. Please try to save him.